got it. Almost done, halfway there. Hold on tight.
Okay guys, so I'm officially at camp, which is exciting, but some bad things have happened so far. So, I know I didn't vlog too much today because it was crazy, but basically all the YCLs, all the youth camp leaders, which is what I am this year, get to camp a day early. So, it turns out someone gave me the wrong packing list, and I thought I was gonna be in a cabin because that's what one of the leaders told me. So I packed like pillow blankets and sheets for a twin bed, and it turns out I'm actually gonna be sleeping in one of these. So, I would need a sleeping bag and a mattress, which I do not have here at camp with me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. And because of weather, they canceled boating, and I was so excited to do that. And I'm talking soft because, I mean, I kind of lost my voice, so trying to save it a little bit. But I was so excited to go boating and it got canceled. So we're about to have dinner. We just made some bracelets. It was really fun. I didn't actually make one, but I packed the beads to go just so I can like make it later. I don't know. But I think I forgot to tell you guys, I don't know if I did or not, but boating was canceled. I found that out as soon as I got here, and I was so sad because I was totally looking forward to it. Like, I brought my bathing suit, my best bathing suit. I brought my towel, my flip-flops, and everything. I was so prepared, and I was like, no. And it's like sunny right now. It's like good weather. So it's 80% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow. So hopefully there isn't any, then we can still go boating. We're lining up for dinner.
What would you like?
Peaches and strawberries, please.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get you another one. Would you like strawberries, right?
Yes, please.
You want a whole one or half?
Okay, so it is the next day of camp, and I have to tell you guys, so I remember telling you guys that I had to borrow a sleeping bag and a cot since they gave me the wrong packing list and I didn't have any of that stuff. So they also gave me a mat to sleep on, to put on top of the cot. It was kind of comfortable, but my sleeping bag didn't zip. Well, her sleeping bag that I borrowed. So it did get a little chilly, but I did have 2 blankets, so that was good. I'm hoping I'll sleep better tonight because my mom contacted someone in our church who's going to bring me a sleeping bag and a mat to sleep on. So that's good. Okay, I'm out of breath because I just ran up here to get my glasses, but we've been decorating our signs for our cabins because each one is a different group. And this year the theme is gemstones. So we are emerald. And my friend who is also, they're ringing the bell. I'm like out of breath. Anyways, my friend who is also my YCL, she gave me these super cute glasses for our emerald theme. So I ran to get those. And now we're going back because all the other younger girls are about to arrive. So I'm excited. I'm out of breath. There's a big hill I have to walk up to get in my cabin.
I always do that. Like in my car, I'm like, oh my gosh, what are the kids?
Cucumbers. I mean, carrots.
Just carrots.
All right. There you go.
but you're not gonna fill it up. I'm about to head to dinner and I'm a little late, but I hear everyone singing one of our camp songs and it's actually called Singing in the Rain, and it's literally raining. So that's fun. You hear that? Singing in the rain.
Happy again. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I was in. He's bent. Take me out, head up, thumb out.
That's not what my fire alarm at home does. When it's broken, it just keeps on beeping. Hello everyone, it is day 2 of girls camp. Okay, we all got changed into our bathing suits and now we're heading over to the basketball court and we're meeting to go to water sports after all. So we're not going to do boating, but we are going to do kayaking and canoeing, so I'm excited. We're heading to the lake. So excited. Say hi. That's Maya. We're kayaking together. This is gonna be so much fun. Even though it's cloudy outside, it might like rain, but it's gonna be fun. Hi, duck. It's a duck. Hey, the mountains are pretty though. It's starting to sprinkle out here, and it's actually kind of chilly. Look at the water though. It's like really interesting. This is my first time being in this part of Big Bear Lake, so it's interesting. Okay, we decided that we're going to go to this buoy over here. We're not supposed to go past it, but we're just gonna touch it because it'll make a good memory. Ew, a bug just flew in my ear. There are a lot of bugs out here. Ew, another one is like landing on me. It feels like a swamp out here, it kind of does. We're almost to the buoy though, and it has started sprinkling. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain too much harder, but that might be cool. Ew. There are some unique bugs out here.
Very weird bugs out here.
Yeah, I keep finding mosquitoes on my leg, even though I put on the mosquito repellent. So obviously these mosquitoes are like super hardcore and they'll attack you no matter what. So yeah, I'm gonna go home with a lot of bites. We're almost to the buoy. Slow, 5 miles per hour. Oh my gosh, there's so many bugs on that. Ew, that's kind of gross. You know what? I think we should leave. They're landing on me. Okay, let's go as fast as we can.
That was a bad idea.
It's definitely starting to rain a little bit harder out here, and we're actually, yeah, it's definitely getting worse. And we're very far from the dock, so yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Ooh, it's getting harder. Maybe it is gonna start pouring on us. I don't even see them anymore. Where did they go? Do you see them?
They went all the way to the other side.
I think it's just stay close to the dock because what if it starts raining too hard? It'll take too long for us. Ooh, it's raining harder now. Okay, it is definitely raining harder now. I mean, look, it looks like literally everyone from our group went in. Uh-oh. Except there were a couple other girls still out exploring, and I don't know where they went now. So
like out of the place.
yeah, they went really far. So maybe we should head back, just in case. I'm so cold now. So since literally everyone else is gone, we decided, since some of the girls went to the dock, there's still some out there who went behind the dock, this one, exploring. So we're gonna go find them and make sure they're safe. Okay, so we couldn't find any of the girls near the dock, which is kind of weird, but we decided to go back over. They are? Oh my gosh. Wow, they came back. We found them. Well, I mean, I guess our mission is accomplished. We totally found them, even though we didn't. But we're gonna head back to the dock just to like be safe. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, so once we found our group, we asked someone what time it is. He said around 12:30 last time we checked. So we're gonna head back because our time is up, we think. But we're not really sure, so we're just gonna head back anyway. We don't know what to do. Look, ducks. They're living on this little island. So cute. We're gonna go say hi to a duck. Hi, duck. There's so many little ducks out here just chilling, swimming in the water. Okay, there's still like a lot of bugs on me and mosquitoes. It's kind of disgusting, but I think the rain helped wash some of them away. And my lunch literally. We're literally like going through all this seaweed. This is a little gross, but we're almost back to the dock and it's still raining. Look, it hurts. Literally. Okay, so we got out. Oh my gosh, it's raining harder now.
My feet are numb, but
I have my backpack with me. I have my phone in it and all my stuff. It's raining harder now. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is not good. I mean, I have my towel, but I'm still gonna be soaked. Oh, wow, that was crazy. It's kind of cold. My towel's gonna be soaked. Okay, so we finally got some covering. My bag kind of got soaked, but luckily everything is okay, so that's good. It is so cold out here. Look at my hands. This is a day I will never forget. It was so cold after kayaking. We are back from kayaking. That was super fun, but also it got really cold, and that was definitely not the fun part, but it was like memorable. Like, I'm never gonna forget that. Kayaking in the rain. It was pretty fun. And now I'm gonna go take a shower and change because I have a lot of time until lunch. I'm heading to lunch now. I'm so excited to have my favorite chips here. We're getting ready to go on a hike. super high part. This is crazy. Look at this. And look at the view so far.
Alright, you can do it.
I promise you will be okay.
Say hi, guys.
Woo! Ow, ow, ow! I'm here.
Good morning, everyone. It's the last day of camp, and we're all starting to clean up and gonna eat breakfast soon. Okay, everyone, so as you can tell, I just got home. I just took a nice, long, warm shower after camp, which was very fun, but I also got really dirty, so I had to shower. And I'm in the middle of unpacking all my stuff and have lots of dirty clothes to wash. So, yeah, it's been a great experience. I love girls camp so much. I hope you guys loved watching it as much as I loved experiencing it. So, I have to say one of my favorite parts was how they added the zip line. They just added that recently. That was so much fun. And the Via Ferrata, which was that rock climbing thing, that was really cool. They did not have that before, so I had a really good time. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!